All right, mate. Welcome to the group. First off, let's take a look here. This is an OKE chart. It's got decent amount of data. I don't think some of the other exchanges have the same amount of data. Now, this it's tricky to trade this, but it should be a bullish pullback, right? Implying that when the dip is over and when the reaccumulation, when the distribution finishes and the reaccumulation takes place, this should go back to new highs. These patterns can take time to play out, implying, you know, when you get this dip down, it can do something like this, create a base before making that move. Okay, so you can sometimes get stop hunts, kind of this level or whatever, and and then make the move. It's unusual for these to just skyrocket back up. It's kind of a work in progress, but you can see it's kind of a channel here. Kind of price likes to peter, that's the right word, peter out of the channel and make its way anyway. So this white 100 moving average you can see here. This is technically it's a bullish sign. Okay, so this is trending higher. Over time this will do this. In theory, it takes quite a long time to change the direction of this. Now, it can, of course, if we had a market crash or something and price crashed through that and came back underneath it and drop lower, of course we could change the direction of that. But it's pretty difficult to change the direction of this from a brand new coin. If I was you, I would wait at least until Monday, and then come Monday and trade a new week. This is probably the safest way of doing this. And what you want to see is you want to see the new monthly candle. Like this is potentially bullish. This is an uh, inside bar, which is also a hammer candle, an inverted hammer candle, and potentially can be a bottoming signal. Now, if we open up Monday, right, and flip green, then you can get long. You only want to be long if the weekly candle is green, like this. If it's green, you can get long and stay in the trade. If it's red, you don't want to be in the trade. It's basically just that simple, and it's what I like to tell people because there's a whole lot more to it. But this is the easiest way to teach people to try and stay safe. I don't think this is going to explode in the next day or two, so there's no point of FOMO. Best to wait until a new week.